I'm Peter Goodfellow, the author of the forthcoming Avian Architecture, and I'm standing at the bottom of my garden, and up behind my head is a nest box, and that's the nest this year of the blue-tipped, which is first cousin of your American black-capped chickadees. And here we are inside the nest. You can see 3 of the eggs. The full clutch is actually 7. Besides that whole nesting bird, there are in this garden alone other birds which have built enclosed nests and cup-shaped nests and simple platform nests. And we'll have a look at some of those birds shortly. And there's the wood pigeon, who is featured on pages 38 and 39, building a very simple platform nest, which is sometimes so thin you can look through it from the bottom and see the pure white eggs. And there, deep in the bluebells, is a song thrush. And this is a song thrush's nest, which was used last year, 2010. It's featured on pages 62 and 63. And the main cup is built up from thin twigs at the bottom and then straws and moss woven together to make the lovely cup shape. And then the song thrush is unique in the thrush family as a whole of not putting a soft lining. It's a hard, smooth lining of wood pulp and some mud and sometimes animal dung, smoothed out as the bird sits in the nest and circles and smooths it with her breast. I saw this African jacana in the Gambia earlier this year. He builds a nest floating on the water of his pond, made from just a few dried stems of reeds. This pied kingfisher, also in the Gambia, builds a different nest yet again. He tunnels into a sandy bank. It's taken me many years to get as excited about birds' nests as I've tried to illustrate here. I hope you have as much excitement as I have found.